How to create and book packages. Packages are designed to sell a group of different services and/or products to a client. They are intended to be booked all at once on a single day. To create a package, go to the Services drop-down button and click on Packages. Click Add New. Choose a name for the package. We will create a package called Spa Getaway. Under Services and Package, select the services that are included in the package. We will include a manicure, pedicure, and a facial. Under Products and Package, add any products that are included with the package. We will add a face cream into our package. Set the price for the package. Typically, the price for a package will provide a small discount to the customer. If you would like to be able to scan a barcode to pull up this package, click the Generate Random Barcode button. If this package is going to be available to be booked online, check off Available for online booking. Click on the Notes tab. Here, you can add usage and warning notes for employees to view. You can also add a description that will show up when booking this package online. Click Save. Now that we have added our package, we will walk you through how to book it and check it out in sales. First, go to the appointment book. Next, click on the button that says Book Packages. Select the client who is booking the package. Choose the package to book. For each service, you can choose to select any employee or specify an employee to book with. Selecting any employee will select the least utilized employee during the selected timeframe who is able to perform the service. You can note client preferences to book with a specific employee. Mark if this specific employee has been requested, or if a female or male service provider have been requested. You can also note a client who was recommended to see this employee. Click Next. Choose a date range to search for available dates and times. Select a date. Available times will then be displayed. Select a start time for the package. Click Next. You can set how to contact the client for appointment confirmations. If you would like to add appointment notes, you can do so underneath. Click Next. Here, you will see a summary of the employees who are being booked, as well as the times each service will be booked for. Click Book to complete the package booking. To check out the package, click the three-dot icon and select Start Invoice. On the invoice, you will see all of the services and products included in the package. We have now finished going over packages. Thanks for watching.